Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy. Name Dino. Back at again with another video. I know it's late. What is it? 7 o'clock? I just got home from. I'm using just a phone on the box right now. Okay, so if it keeps falling over like that, don't mind it. Okay. Just got home from a gig that I had at the mall in Auburn. I sang for like an hour and a half. Yeah. Let me pray for this food and then we'll get into it, okay? Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Bless this food, make it be nourishing to my body. In your mighty precious name I pray. Amen. Alright, so yeah. I got chicken rice, hot dog, some mayo. I got BLOVESLIFE SMACKALICIOUS. Okay. This chicken out. Stop, mama! Yo, it's so bomb with chicken. So anyway, I had a gig at the mall today. It was sort of like a shop and sip type of thing, where people they shop and then they came, ate some food, and just do some scavenger hunts and won prizes. So I got to sing just in the background and some karaoke music. Yeah, it was kind of fun. It was cool. And then at the same time, see some famous TikTokers. We had a meet and greet. It was really cool. Yeah, there was hella little white girls over there. It was hilarious. I even went to go visit my sister Angel from Left Coast. She was there. But man, when I tell you the mall was packed in, it was hella packed. And I haven't eaten since this morning, so it's a bomb. Did you eat my chicken? Yes, there is. Yo, this chicken is fire with this BLOVE sauce. Like, straight up. So I got like 3 chickens, a drumstick, 2 thighs, and 8 hot dogs raised. And I'm like, damn fat. Oh yeah. Oh my god. He's still sleeping. You know what's really good? It's even good with mayo. So, other than the video on the kitchen table today, but there's a lot of discussion going on the table right now. I figured I'd come downstairs and do a video, so yeah. Yo, if you're not subscribed to my channel, get to it. Subscribe to my channel. Do what it do. Oh yeah. Mm. Mm. Mm -mm -mm. Mm. Jalea, go ask Uncle James to pour some water for me, please. That boy's thirsty now. Boy, girl, can you tell him secret? Tell us. She just let the whole upstairs know that I need to drink. So yeah, this chicken, I had to broil this bad boy. You know, get that crunch. Boy, if you don't step out of my video. So yeah. Yo, I'm literally waiting on BLOVE to like check out my video. You know. Girl, I've been eating your sauce, you know. My last 3 videos. Can't wait for you to see it. Especially my last one where everybody was eating your sauce. You know? Come on. Come on, BLOVE. Check out my video. Okay. Hey. Boy, if you don't stop making noise. Yo, I love hot dog and rice. That's my jam, man. So I sang like 13 songs within an hour and a half. Hour and a half. And I was like, dang, that's a lot of songs, man. I don't know if I can do it, man. Yeah, but yo, have you ever been so hungry? And when you eat, you get full fast. Man, it's happening to me right now. But I don't want to stop. Is Lawrence up? I'm moving too fast. A 3 on the dash. Your boy be TikToking, man. Yo, we're 9 minutes in. I think my next video, I'm gonna do Tangulu. Because I've seen a video on how to make it and it looks so simple. And I'm gonna put my earbuds to the test to see if I can do ASMR with my earbuds. My Galaxy Buds, not earbuds. But yeah. Oh my god. I'm like really thirsty. And I don't think old girl went up to his house. Well, James probably washing dishes. I need to drink. Could you help me, please? I need to drink. Actually, I hear my water coming right now. Yeah. My boy was come clutch. Good looking, James. Now that just gave me some room. I kind of just flushed everything down. Come on. The plate don't give me. Oh, Lordy. I know how to make a girl go crazy. What love? Yo. If you have not tried the BLOVESLIFE, try to get your hands on it. If not, you should try to make it. Just follow the directions all the way through. Okay. So this sauce, it asks, well, it's optional to put in a 4th cup of Coke, I think. I didn't want to. No, I want to taste it without the Coke. Damn, that boy big. You know what? I think I'm just gonna eat the hot dog and rice. The chicken's getting a little too much for me. Yeti. 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 Yo. So today was so funny at the Opera Mall when they were doing the meet and greet with the two little TikToker boys, or his name is Jason and Joe Wad, I think. WAUD. Correct me if I'm wrong. With the brothers. And there was these 2 girls. There's a lot of girls that were really thirsty, but these 2 girls, oh my gosh, I wish I took a picture of them. One of them, her jeans couldn't go over her gut, so she kept pulling up her pants. And she's like, just want to try and dance with them. It was so funny. I was cracking up. And then she has like no lips. And her eyebrows are like they're really, she looked so funny. But she kept going back in line. She's trying to get a picture with these damn boys. And then there was another one that just kept yelling while other people were taking a picture. She kept yelling from the side, like, "Hey, I followed you on SoundCloud." Or like, "Hey, I found a picture of you." Like, seriously. You look lost, sir. Yo. Yo. So I got 3 more of them things. What happened?
Travis got married today.
Who?
Travis.
Travis number 4?
Yeah.
Bruh. I wonder if grandmother know. What? Ooh. Oh, trust. I will. I'll do it. Set up the bedtime for all these boys and girls. Got to. So our house has about, I don't even know, like, remembered devices. At least 20 devices. So with Xfinity, not sponsored, just saying, with Xfinity, there's an app where called X5, I think, whatever. You could control the Wi-Fi connection to everyone in the house. So we got 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think no, just 3 of the game consoles, maybe 4. A new one, maybe. 4 game consoles connected to Wi-Fi. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think we got like 15 phones connected to Wi-Fi as well. So just think that's like 19 devices. Yes, girl, I am talking. So yeah, go upstairs. So yeah, about 20 devices. So the school kids, they're on the bedtime schedule for this Wi-Fi. I haven't set it up since the last time we changed the box. We changed the box because the Wi-Fi was slow. So I have to reset it back up. So trust and believe, 9:30, that Wi-Fi is cutting off for all the schoolgoers in this house. So they better use their phones while they can, because there will be no Wi-Fi at 9:30. Yeah. You want this chicken too? You know what?
Oh, you gonna eat it?
Just take my plate. I'm done right now. Alright?
Oh, no, is there any hot dogs upstairs?
No, you can have this last hot dog and the chicken. Just also rice and cheese. I'm done. Alright. Don't throw the sauce away, okay? Just surround wrap it and put it back in the ice cream. So yeah. That's what's gonna happen today. After I'm done with this video, I'm gonna upload, and then I'm gonna be selecting devices that we be put on bedtime mode. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this Tangulu video that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be uploading more covers, and I'm thinking about sticking to just one channel instead of making like a music channel and a mukbang channel. I figure that, you know, since everybody's gonna want to tune in and just watch, and since you're here because you love your boy, that I'll just keep it on one channel. Just just look out for the description in the video. If you don't want to watch me eating, then that's fine. I mean, but let it play through at least one whole time, okay? Okay, but yeah, I'm looking forward to this Tangulu video. I'm gonna go buy fruits. Strawberry looks good. Grape looks good. I think I'm gonna do purple grapes or red grapes, red, purple, and green grapes. Strawberry, orange looks good. Just the tangerine orange looks really good. What else looks good? You know, I haven't seen banana, so I think I might try banana. What else would look good? Apples, possibly. I could do pineapples, or I could do apples. How about I do grapes, strawberries, apples. What else? And oranges, like the mini oranges, like tangerine oranges. I'm gonna Tangulu all them fools, and then I'm gonna try doing a ASMR on my Galaxy Buds. If not, I'll just use my regular headphone. I'll try using my microphone. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2. But I feel like you won't really get a good sound out of it, so to speak, unless I use my other camera and upload. But then my computer's been kind of slow, running out of space, so I'm thinking about trading it in for a bigger or more storage or a newer Mac computer. Yep, that's what I was trying to say. But yeah, so be on the lookout for those videos and whatnot. And yeah. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to say your mama, your daddy, your auntie, your uncle, your grandpa, your dad, your mom, everybody. Just tell everybody, okay? Let me know what content you want to see on my channel, and what content that you don't want to see on my channel. And if I agree with not doing it on my channel, then great. But if not, I'm so sorry. You just gonna have to wait till the video that you like comes on, okay? But other than that, I think I'm gonna call it here. And yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, okay, catch you guys on the next video. And with that being said, we